Tuscaloosa County, Central Bibb County, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mountville, or 16 miles north of Greensboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brent, Centerville, Moundville, Lakeview, Brookwood, Coling, Vance, Woodstock, West Boston, Cammy Hill Ironwood State Park, Low Gap, Mertz, Mercedes-Benz of Alabama, Eoline, North Bibb, Maxwell, Hall, Hagler, Green Pond, and Pearson. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Bibb and Tuscaloosa. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued urban and small